Stihl MS250. Bone dry in there. Yeah, messing everywhere. What is that? 67 degrees Fahrenheit. Prime it, you've got to put it here into the full choke position. And so the day has finally come around where I need to break out the old chainsaw. Now, this chainsaw has been in storage for well over a year, probably closer to a year and a half. So, Stihl MS250. I think the last time I used it, helped out a mate in his back garden cutting up a couple of trees, but ever since then, it has been sitting in this cupboard doing absolutely nothing. Now, when I did put it into storage, I did empty the tank and I filled the bar oil, and also it was run with non-ethanol fuel. And before I did put it away, I actually emptied the tank and ran the saw dry. So let's just have a look here. I mean, it should have absolutely, bone dry in there. And let's have a quick look at the bar oil here to see how much is leaked out. Ah, come on. There we go. Yeah, that's enough. That'll be fine. So, mixed up some fresh fuel. We're going to just pop that in quickly. And we're going to see how easily this thing starts after sitting for a good year and a half. Yeah, messing everywhere. Lovely stuff. Anyway. There we go. Cool. Also, the saw is dead cold. There's the muffler, exhaust, whatever you want to call it. I've got a little temperature gauge here. I don't know if you can see that. What is that? 67 degrees Fahrenheit. So what's that, about 21 degrees science or Celsius? You know what I mean. So let's set you up and let's give this thing a pull. See how easily it starts. Oh man, we can see that thing started up very, very quickly actually. Of course there were a couple of extra pulls because we needed to get fuel kind of primed into the carburetor because I did previously run it dry. This model of chainsaw doesn't have the little like push bulb thing to prime the system. To prime it, you've got to put it here into the full choke position and, as you saw, kind of give it a good sharp pull until it barks off, and then move it up into the normal, like what, half choke position, or the starting position, I suppose. And then, yeah, after a pull or two, started right up. Super impressed with that. So that's been sitting, as I said, about a year and a half. So if you are thinking about picking up one of these saws, I do have a full video review, including test cutting, basically everything that you need to know about the Stihl MS250. I'll leave a link to that video in the description and also at the end of this video. Please leave us a comment, let us know what you think. Does your chainsaw start this easily, or do you continuously have problems starting your saw? And if you do you have any tips and tricks that you can share with all of us that helps you get your saw started every time? Also, if you are struggling to start your saw, there are a number of common problems that can make it a little bit more difficult, like a foul spark plug, a blocked up carburetor, a blocked air filter screen. Even the exhaust can be clogged up, it can be carboned up. You could have leaking crankshaft seals, or the compression could be low, or you could even have flooded your machine. That happens. So there are a number of common problems. I might cover those and how to get around them in a future video. So check the description, and also maybe also at the end of this video I'll link that once that video is made. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. We'll see you next time. Cheers.